Hello students, we are discussing progressions. In that, types of progressions: arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression and arithmetic geometric progression. Among all these, we are discussing arithmetic progression. In that, we learn how to identify whether it is in a AP or not. And then after that, general term or nth term of AP. After that, sum of n terms also we learn. How to find out the sum of n terms. After that, a special series we are discussing now. What are those one? When sum of first n natural numbers are given, sum of first n natural numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n natural numbers are denoted with sigma n, that equal to n into n plus 1 by 2, this formula. And sum of the squares of first n natural numbers plus n square is equal to sigma n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This also it is. And sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on plus n cube is equal to sigma n cube. This can be written as a sigma n whole square also, that equal to n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. And then sum of odd natural numbers n square, sum of n even numbers n into n plus 1. Using these one, we are finding a special type of sequences sum, that is a sequence made with the product of two factors. A sequence made with the product of two factors and a sequence like these questions 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5 plus and so on plus n terms. How to find out this type of sequence which is made with the product of two factors? Okay, understood? These are the two factors 1 and 2, here 2 and 3, here 3 and 4, here 4 and 5. And the similar way 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus and so on. This also we learn. Now I am going to introduce another type is a sequence which is made with the product of three factors. Product of three factors. See here, find the sum of n terms of the series, sum of n terms of the series 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5 plus and so on. How many? Plus 4 into 5 into 6 plus and so on. How many n terms we have to find out? This series n terms sum we need to find out. Find the sum of n terms of the following series. In the following series, each term is made with the product of three factors. Each term is made with the product of three factors. Okay. Now, first of all, given series is 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5 plus and so on. One more time. 4 into 5 into 6 plus and so on. Now, in the series, every term is made with the product of three factors. It is every term has three factors. First of all, find out the nth term of the given series. To find out the nth term of the given series, first of all, you should know the nth term of each factor. First factor nth term, second factor nth term, third factor nth term. So here, what is the series obtained by with the first factors? 2, 3, 4. With 2, 3, 4. These are the factors. Just beside I am writing here. Series obtained with the first factors is 2, 3, 4. Now nth term of the series made with the first factors. Here nth term of the series, nth term of the first factors, nth term of first factors. What are the first factors here? 2, 3, 4 and so on. What is that formula? A is equal to 2, D is equal to 1 and the nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. First to find out the nth term of the series. To find out the nth term of the series, these individual factors nth term we need. Because every term is multiplied by 3 factors now here. So here nth term of the series also by multiplying the first factors nth term, second factors nth term, third factors nth term you will get. So substitute that 2 plus n minus 1 into d value is 1. 2 plus n minus 1 that equal to n plus 1. N plus 1. Okay. Now nth term of second factors. Nth term of second factor. What is second factor? Starting A is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into d value is 1 itself. Again, every term is increased by 1 only now. So 3 plus n minus 1 that equal to n plus 2. N plus 2. Now nth term of the third factors find out. Nth term of third factors is equal to n plus 3 will get. How? A value is 4 plus n minus 1 into 1 that equal to 4 plus n minus 1 that equal to n plus 3. N plus 3. These are the nth term of each factors. First factor, second factor, third factor. If I multiply these nth terms, I get the nth term of the given series. I get the nth term of the given series. Now nth term of given series is equal to Tn is equal to n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3. N plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3. What I required here? What I required here? Sum of n terms I required. I don't require nth term. Nth term of the series is this one. N plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3. But I required sum of n terms. Now sum of n terms of given series is equal to Sn is equal to sigma Tn. Sn is equal to sigma Tn. That is equal to sigma Tn is sigma Tn means here this nth term sigma it is sigma n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3. Now multiply here n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3. First rough work I will do here. N plus 1 into n plus 2 multiply here. You can already you have an idea about how to make the quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. By that also you get Rn general multiplication. N into n square plus n into 1 2n, n into 2 2n, 1 into n plus 2. That equal to n square plus 3n plus 2. One more term is there, n plus 3. Multiply with that. N plus 3 that equal to n square into n cube plus n square into 3n square plus 3n into n 3n square plus 3n into 3n 9n plus 2n plus 3 2s are 6 plus 3 2s are 6. That is equal to n square plus 6n square plus 11n plus 6 11n plus n cube plus 6n square plus 11n plus 6. Is it clear? When three factors are given, you can make the polynomial x plus 1, x cube. Another formula also there, x cube minus x square into x plus alpha plus beta plus gamma plus x into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha minus alpha beta gamma. What is alpha? Minus 1. Beta minus 2. Gamma minus 3. Substitute them. X cube means n cube minus n square into alpha means minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 plus n into alpha into beta minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 2 into minus 3 plus 3 plus 6 minus 1 plus 3 minus alpha beta gamma. What is alpha here? Minus 1 into 2 minus 2 minus 2 plus 2 into minus 3 minus 6. That is equal to n cube minus 6n square. 6 plus 8, 9 plus 2, 11n minus into minus plus 6. Same answer will get. Whether you apply this formula or general multiplication, same will get. That is equal to sigma n cube plus 6n square plus 11n plus 6. After the simplification, here minus into minus plus are here. Minus 6 minus into minus plus. Here also same answer will get. N cube plus 6n square plus 11n plus 6. Now Sn is equal to sigma, take inside here, sigma n cube plus 6 into sigma n square plus 11 into 6 sigma n plus 6 into sigma 1. Sigma n cube formula n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 plus 6 into n square formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 11 into n plus 1 by 2 plus 6n. Sigma 1 means 6n. See here, this is not sufficient, I think. It is not clear, just I am writing this side. N cube, n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 plus 6 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 11 into n plus 1 by 2 plus 6n. Is it clear now? Now this 6 can get cancelled. Then n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 plus n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 1 plus 11n into n plus 1 by 2 plus 6n by 1. From all these terms, n I will get common. N if I take common and take the LCM by 4, n I took common and LCM 4 I took here. Here one more n is there here, n into n plus 1 whole square plus n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 plus 11 into n plus 1, sorry, 4 LCM I took, for n into n plus 1 whole square. Here 1 is there, 4 denominator here 1 is there, here 4 is there. So 4 times 4n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1, because denominator 1 is there now. Here 2 table, for 2 times you get 2 into 11, 22. 22 n into 22 into n plus 1. N plus 1 because n I took common plus n I took common 4 6 is 24. Now simplify that n by 4 into here n into n square plus 2n plus 1 n square a plus b whole square plus 4 into n into n square plus n plus 2n plus 1 1s are 1 n into 2n square n into 1 n 1 into 2n 1 and 1 1s are 1 plus 22 n plus 22 plus 24. Okay, already n by 4 I took common, n by 4 into n square n cube plus 2n square plus n into n square n cube plus 2n square plus n 4 2s 8n square plus this is n plus 2n is 3n 3 4s 12n plus 4 into 1 4 plus 22n plus 46. Some more simplification if I do here n by 4 into n cube plus 2n square plus 8n square is 10n square n plus 12n plus 22n 22 plus 12 is 34 plus 2 36n and 4 plus 46 is 50. Check one's calculation whether it is correct or wrong. Okay, see here, once I repeat that. Here this problem is the sequence given is a product of 3 factors. So each factor nth term I found and product of these 3 nth terms will give the nth term of the given series. So n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 is the nth term of the given series. But I required sum of n terms. Sn is equal to sigma Tn. n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 n cube plus 6n square plus 11n plus 6 will get. Here n into n into n is n cube, n into 2n and 3 6n n. Okay, 6n square plus 11n plus 6. Now split this one, sigma n cube into 6 sigma n square into plus 11 into sigma n plus 6 into sigma 1. N cube formula is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. 6 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 11 into n plus 1 by 2 plus 6n. 6 cancel, n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Here now remaining is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 1. 11n into n plus 1 by 2 plus 6n. Among all these one n I will get common, n I took common. From this one 4 LCM I took. Remaining n into n plus 1 whole square because 1 n I took common. Here n I took common or n plus 1 but 4 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 plus 2 table 2 times you get 2 11s are 22 into n plus 1 because n I took common. n I took common now 4 6 is 24. Now here a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, 4 into n plus 1 into n into 2n 2n square, n into 1 n, 1 into 2n 2n, 1 1s are 1, 22n plus 22 1s 22 plus 24. Now simplify here, n into n square plus 2n plus 1. Here multiply n into n square n cube plus n into 2n 2n square plus n into 1 n. 4 2s 8n square 4n plus 4 2s are 8n. 8 plus 4 12n plus 4 1s are 4. Okay, here 3 no 3 into 4 4 12n plus 4. 22n plus 22 plus 24 is 46. Now n cube plus 8 plus 2 10n square 12 and 22 34 plus n 35 it is 35 n. Here 12 plus 22 is 34 34 plus n is 35. Sorry, I added this 2, that's what I got it 36 here. Correct it. 30 n plus 12 is 13n. 13n plus 22n is 35n. And 46 plus 4 is 50. This is your sum of n terms of the given series. Is it clear?